If you hate selling, sales is a skill and you can learn it and love it. At some point, if you're in business, you have to sell. But what if you're not a born salesperson? The good news is, sales ability isn't something you're born with. There are some people who have an easier time selling because of their natural talents, but it's a skill that everyone in business needs to learn. Even if you've always felt that sales isn't your thing, you can still master these skills and become a great salesperson for your business. You may not like selling because you feel like a salesperson talking to a prospect, but in reality, it's just you talking to another human being. Like any other encounter, you need to start by building rapport, spending some time chatting, finding common ground, and getting to know the person before you start discussing their needs in your product. Most of sales is about listening. Listen to the person and try to understand their problems. This will reveal information you can use to determine whether your product is right for them. Listen more than you talk, and make sure that you understand what they're saying. Clarify what you need to. Pay close attention to body language and nonverbal cues as well. If you know your product well and you're confident about its quality, you'll find it much easier to sell. You should know each feature it offers and the specific benefits they bring to the customer. In other words, don't just know what the product does, but how it can help improve people's lives. You should also know what sets your product apart from others. What does your product do uniquely well? How does it solve problems differently from other products on the market? Know your industry and know your competitors. An important skill for salespeople is to build up a resistance to the word no. If you're terrified of rejection, you won't be able to approach customers and try to sell your product. When a customer says no, it just means that your offering isn't just a good match. Furthermore, it's not a good match for where they're at right now, which means it could be right for them in the future. No isn't a rejection of you personally. It's the prospect giving you some valuable feedback. When you think sales, do you picture the fast-talking, high-pressure approach? You shouldn't. Good sales is all about building a relationship with the prospect and working together to see if your product meets their needs. Think of it this way. You're getting to know someone new and seeing if they need what you have to offer. Sales is about getting out there and talking to people. Get yourself fired up with plenty of positivity and make some new friends. The more people you talk to, the higher your rate of success. Also, the more you meet people, the more experience you'll get. And the more you learn and hone your sales skills. Are you struggling to get comfortable with selling? Check out my full program where I teach you the A to Z of mastering the mindset and skills you need to sell effortlessly. Check it out at expensivefear.com.